we're not gonna start off with it today. It's not gonna be. I present you with a Worldwide Environmental Products Inc. Smog machine. If you're considering purchasing one of these, don't do it. It never worked for me. So this is bar 97 compliant. So this operates a dynamometer. You can see the back is all intact over here. It's got a full Smog bench with everything. This machine basically never worked. I called the outside salesman.
Hello, IT. Have you tried turning it off and on again?
The inside salesman. I called the owner of Worldwide Environmental Products. And I got nowhere.
Don't you dare hang up that.
This machine was like $11,000. I considered taking him to small claims and suing him, but a business to a business can't sue for more than $5,000. So after many years of frustration with this machine, it's gonna go exactly where it belongs. It's whatever this is the machine. So we're gonna put it right where it goes. It's permanent home in the dumpster. This machine is going to the landfill where it belongs.